Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well, staying safe, and staying positive. So today I want to share with you how I created some home decor using some items that I had laying around the house that I would have thrown away, but I decided to upcycle. So for my first DIY, I have this perfume bottle. This one, I'm going to take my Fix-All adhesive and some of this Rhinestone Chain. And then some of these pearls to go in the center of my rhinestone chain. And the rhinestone chain and the pearls I got from Amazon. I will have the links for these in the description box below. So for the side of this, I'm just going to go in with the Fix-All, and I'm going to add one strip of my mirrored tiles. And I'm going to alternate between a strip of mirrored tiles and a strip of the pearls. So here's a final look at my perfume bottle. I think it came out super cute. Let me know down below, have you ever repurposed and decorated an old perfume bottle? This was my first time trying this and I really enjoyed the process. So I'm just going to be taking some of this mirror reflective paper and I'm going to be wrapping my gift box with this. Once my box is all wrapped up, I'm going to be taking some of this gold floor wire from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be measuring the size of my new handle, cutting that, and then taking some of these pearls. I'm going to be adding a pearl handle to my box. Now I'm going to be taking my wire and inserting it back through the hole on the side, and then I will be bending my wire up. Now I'll be adding my pearls. And once I've added all my pearls, I'm going to be adding the other end into the other side and folding that piece of wire up as well. Now taking some of this beautiful rhinestone ribbon that I got on Amazon, I will leave the link for this in the description box below. I'm just going to embellish the corners of my box. So to add a little bit more character to this shopping bag, I'm just going to take this large gem and some of this floral wire, and I'm just going to take a couple of pearls and bead about 3 pearls. I'm going to be using this heart that I got off of a different perfume bottle. And then I will be adding 2 pearls on top of that, and using 2 of these smaller acrylic gems, and then adding 3 pearls on top of those. Now I'll be taking my wire and I will be inserting it back through the last pearl, and then bending that pearl back to hook it onto my gift bag. So here's a final look at my gift bag. I think it came out super unique and definitely a cute addition for spring. I have 3 of these cardboard canisters. Taking them and giving them 2 coats of white paint. Now once my paint is dry, I'm going to be taking this beautiful tissue paper from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to be taking some Mod Podge and watering it down, brushing on the Mod Podge on a thin, even layer, and then laying my tissue paper down before that Mod Podge dries, and then slowly and lightly smoothing it out with my fingertips, not applying too much pressure, and definitely do not pull on the tissue paper too hard because it will rip. So here I am. Once I have that glued down, I'm going to pull my tissue paper back and continue on in small areas, applying my glue and then smoothing down my tissue paper, and so on until I get all the way around. So here I'm just going to cut off, going down the straight line, my excess paper. Now I'll be cutting off some excess, but leaving about 1/2 inch so that I could be able to cut slits into it and then glue that down to the bottom of my canister. Then I will be taking another piece of the tissue paper and I will be gluing that to the bottom just to create a more finished look. Now here I have my 3 lids from my canisters, and I'm going to be taking some of these mason jar lids, and this is actually a candle jar lid, and I'm just going to be gluing these to the top of my lids, of my canister lids. Now taking some more of my Mod Podge mixture, I'm just going to be adding some to this top and a small piece of tissue paper to embellish my tops. And then I will be cutting off the excess around once the tissue paper is completely dry. Then I'll be adding some more Mod Podge to the sides of my top lids, and then a strip of tissue paper to go around that. And once that piece is dried, I'm going to remove the excess from the top as well. So here I'm just going to be taking my pearls and embellishing the top even further, also going in with the Rhinestone Chain, and then finishing off with more pearls on the outside of this lid. You of course don't have to do all of this, but I love to get carried away with embellishments, and I really think these came out super cute. Now these knobs I found in a Ziploc bag at my local Goodwill, and I will try to find these on Amazon and link them down below. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they are made of acrylic. They are not glass, but they are beautiful. And I just had to add them to these canisters. So here's the final look at my 3 canisters. I think they came out super cute. I'm using them to store extra grocery bags as well as some plastic silverware. I'm always keeping you guys in my thoughts and in my prayers. I hope you're all staying safe and positive, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.